Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Auto Existence. Today my father and I are going to mount the motor finally on the 125 project. But first, I actually have a correction from the previous video. In the previous video, I mounted the sprocket and actually did it incorrectly. So thanks to a Reddit user and my father actually, who pointed out that I put on the sprocket incorrectly. The washers that I placed underneath the sprocket actually go on top. So I'll show you guys how it's actually supposed to be put on correctly this time. Alright, so this is a correction I want to make. I had the nuts just right on here, and if I can remove this. So this is the correction I wanted to make. I originally had these down here. That is incorrect. Thanks to my dad and a friendly Reddit user to inform me of my mistake. That way this thing doesn't come flying off when I ride it. So, sprocket goes directly on the studs. Then, this should be much easier to place on. Okay. Boom. Didn't even need to do it. So, sprocket, circlip, then these keepers go like so, and nuts. And the intention of these is to keep these nuts from spinning off, because after we tighten these to spec, we will bend these tabs up onto the nuts. Okay. So now we can go ahead and tighten this back 13 foot-pounds. We can put our cap back on. Okay. Now what we do is we take these tabs, we're supposed to bend them up. So you can just take a punch like this, just use a little bender down just like that. Now we can go ahead and reinstall again. Sometimes a little trial and error. Break up. Alright, Now it's time to put this small motor in the frame. So mount these 2 bolts first, and then we'll mount these, and then the top. But we'll...
Like this to swing it in or something?
No, once we get this will be enough to support it in the proper position.
Okay.
And then this will go after.
Okay, let's move this one off.
Alright, it's top. So I'm assuming I'm holding the motor.
Yes.
Alright, that's good. I'm young and spry.
What was that word?
Spry.
Can you give me the definition of that, please?
Youthful and energetic.
Down
So-
there, readjust. That's bottom, that's top.
Okay.
Because we have... Okay.
Alright, why don't you fish that top bolt through there? Push it the rest of the way through. Whoa. Get the bottom in there. Give us a tap.
Now you gotta give me a screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Let me get this a tap here.
Yeah. That's it right there. Okay.
Lovely. Okay. Look at that. Alright, washer on, washer on.
There's a little bracket system on this thing.
Okay. Alright, let's get the front one on. I think you're correct. I had it on there the correct way, so.
This is the easiest pie. When the other's in place. Oops, what's that? Oh, the engine cover.
Nice. Alright, so if you want to hold this side while I ratchet these in. That should be a 14 over there. And this is the CB pipe and not the scrambler pipe, correct? And that's this scrambler exhaust. This is for the scrambler exhaust.
Just like you said, it's like, what's that?
Yeah, the scrambler.
We need to set up
The battery.
I think we fabricated a little top. Could be for that.
Thanks again for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next episode of Auto Existence. That's it for today. I think we made some really good progress on getting the motor in on the bike, and we're going to be moving on more quickly, hopefully, here in the future. So, sorry I didn't release a video last week, just busy with work, but we got more and more projects coming on the Auto Existence channel. You can find me on Facebook at Auto Existence and on Instagram at Auto Existence, as well as my website, autoexistence.com. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.